ahead digital
could have been better.
absolutely could definitely be better. Okay, would pause grieving for a moment and talk about digital salary, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Has GCB already launched the product?
Yes, it's on the stores.
Okay, so when was it launched?
So the launch was on Tuesday, I guess. Yeah, Tuesday, 29th of July.
Okay.
Yes.
29th of July.
Yeah.
Okay, and what informed this? But first of all, before you tell us what informed it, what is the idea behind digital, salary advance? What is the idea behind it?
So I don't know if there's nothing, if there's anything like a bad morning in terms of greeting, but obviously it's difficult to say good morning to our listeners and our cherished customers. But for us, I am a Muslim. For us as Muslims, our teachings tell us that kulli nafsin za'iqatul maut, every living soul shall taste death. And it goes ahead to tell us that inna lil mauti la sakara, death brings a lot of pain. But we take solace still with the fact that we plan and God also plans, but ultimately God is the best of planners. And so our hearts go to the entire country, the government, the president, the families. I personally have a friend in this whole thing, and that's Samuel Abuaji. We grew up together in Obuasi. So
the parliamentary candidate?
Yes, the Obuasi West parliamentary candidate. We grew up together in Obuasi. So the pain is actually direct. I mean, we've interacted with almost all the people involved here. We can only wish the families solace. God knows best. So let's make some money then. So we've been offering salary advance as a product within the banking halls, and we said to ourselves, should now walk all the way from her office to come to the banking or just to come and apply for a salary advance. And the question is, what's even a salary advance? A salary advance is our product that makes all salary earners their own paymasters. So you don't have to wait for payday to get your salary. We give you the opportunity to draw up to 80% of your salary ahead of the payment. So when the salary comes through, we take that money plus a small fee. So the whole idea is, in this age of digital transformation, why would we not make life comfortable for our customers by dropping that on our award-winning mobile app? So the digital salary advance is we allowing our salary earners who qualify to go to the app, just take 3 clicks and then apply 80% of their salary and get the money instantly. So the whole process will take you 30 seconds. Your account is credited. So that's the idea behind salary advance. Give convenience, provide some financial well-being, and to show up when our customers really need us.
And I'm sure Emelia will tell us a bit more with regard to how this works on the app and everything, the steps one can go through. But then again, is this the first time we're having something like this in Ghana?
Emilia will take that. She's a historian.
Okay, all right, Emelia.
Yes. So actually, if you search among all the banks, GCB is actually the first to bring this product on the mobile app. Okay. So instantly, that's the new thing we are bringing. I think the closest another bank has tried to do is you can request, and then probably later it will take them 2 days, 3 days to access it before later they credit your account.
Okay.
So this is very innovative of us to come out with this product that as soon as you go on the app and then you apply, it's instant. So that's the first.
I see. Yes. So just as we have GCB being the station of the nation,
yes,
GCB Bank is the bank of the nation.
Yes, GCB.
And you are the first to do it.
Not just the Bank of the Nation. Yes, we are the oldest, but also we are also leading in terms of
innovation,
digital transformation.
Yeah, digital transformation, innovation. Yes.
Okay, so now tell us how it works on the app.
Okay. All right. So it's very simple. Okay. So because we know that these days our customers want convenience, everybody wants, that you don't need to struggle. So for you to be able to apply, what we've actually done is that we'll let you know if you qualify for it and even the amount that you qualify for. So all you have to do is to make sure that you have downloaded our mobile app, and when you log in, you actually see a banner that will tell you that now you qualify for salary advance of 20,000. So you just click on it, you go in there, you accept the terms and condition, and then when the money is in your account. So it's that simple.
Okay, so
on the app.
And so how does this compare to other short-term loans that you offer?
Okay, so like we are saying, we are the first. It's not just about bringing a product out, but we've actually looked at it and realized that if you look at, say, the other mobile money loans or advances, credit facilities that are out there, usually these rates are around 8% and above, 8.9. Some even go as far as 14%. Okay, but what we are offering is that we take processing of 2.5 and then the interest rate of 2.17.
Okay.
So in all, per month, you are going for this advance, okay, at a total of about 4.67. So if you compare this to the 8.9 and above in the industry, this is like the lowest you can get. And this is also really, you can manage it very well because we are going to do the repayment against your next salary, okay? And the other interesting thing about it is that even though we are charging, say, the interest 2.17, is for 30 days.
Okay.
So if you compare with the others, if you take a mobile money loan today and it's also for 30 days and the total cost is 10 cedis because of, say, maybe 8.9. So let me use some figures to break it down. If you are taking another mobile money loan, which is 100 cedis, the rate is 8.9. What it means is that you'll be paying 8.9 cedis. Okay. But with ours, when we combine the two, you pay 4.67. So it's like 100 cedis, you actually pay less than 5 cedis. Okay, and this, even if you don't take it over the 30 days and you actually take half of it, it means that you pay less than 3 cedis. So if it's over 15 days, you actually pay less than 3 cedis for the 100 cedis that we give you. So it's very low.
Okay.
The rate is
and I'm sure for anybody listening, they're wondering who qualifies for this facility.
Okay, so it's also very simple. We don't want to complicate the lives of our customers. So all you have to do is to make sure now your salary pass through GCB. Okay, so you have to make sure that your salary will pass through GCB. That's the first thing, into a salary account. Okay. However, if you are already the account that your salary is passing through is a savings account, we also make it very simple and convenient on the app for you to migrate into a salary account. It's actually part of the process in the application. So you just start the application and then we allow you to migrate into a salary account. So that's the second one. Then the last one is that you have to be somebody that when you take loan, you pay back. When I say that, that means that at least
should be in good standing.
Good standing. Your records, whether with us or with any other bank or any other institution that gives out loan, you have to make sure you don't have a bad record. So it's like, every good customer, you are eligible for this.
Okay, so primarily, one of the key requirements is that you need to have your salary passing through GCB. That's a prerequisite. Yes. Without that, you cannot access it.
Okay.
I see. And so now, when it comes to the digital strategy, what does it do? I mean, what does this facility you're bringing on board do to or say about your digital strategy and then your relationship with your customers?
So, you see, our customers, as we have repeatedly mentioned, are looking for convenience. And so, to me or to our customers, convenience is, I get it when I need it.
Okay.
I do not, so for instance, problems do not give you notice before they appear. You could get a call 1 a.m., midnight, and you have an emergency to go to the hospital. Question is, do you wait till the next morning and walk to the banking hall to apply for this facility? What GCB is saying is that the moment problem knocks on your door, just log onto your app, just 3 clicks, and then you have your salary advance. It is delivered instantly. In 30 seconds, the process is done and dusted. And this is part of the larger strategy to give convenience to our customers. Our app is a lifestyle app. Whatever it is that you want to do as an individual, you have it. Right from after you have taken your salary, you can pay for your utilities, you can pay for your DSTV, you can pay for all your fees, you can pay for food, you can pay for all services that are rendered in this country. We have a number of billers and merchants that have been availed on our mobile app, and so it's part of the larger comfort that we are bringing to our customer. What's even more, as Emelia explained, in our case, if you took the salary advance, for instance, in the 1 a.m. analogy I just gave, and you actually needed the money for 1 day, the charges, that's the interest charge you pay, is just for 1 day.
Oh, I see.
It's just for 1 day. And so even though if you took 100 Ghana cedis, we were going to charge you 2 cedis 17 pesos for the 30 days. If you did that for 1 day, we just prorate it, and you may end up paying something less than 1 CD. And that is what a GCB is bringing. For us, it's beyond just banking. We are talking about ESG. And so we print papers for customers to come in and fill and apply for the salary advance. You have to drive from your house to the banking hall, and you are emitting gas already. And so what we are saying is that as our own small way of driving the country's ESG, we are taking salary advance out of the banking hall to give convenience to our customers. So it's good news in the midst of bad news.
Absolutely. And convenience is a big deal, as you've all referenced, and that's the reason you've introduced this package, so that people will not stress themselves driving all the way or transporting themselves all the way from their homes or offices to GCB. How reliable is your app? Because if it has to be convenient, definitely the app must be reliable. You don't want to find yourself wanting in the middle of the night. You are in urgent need, and then the app is refusing to respond. How reliable is your app?
So our uptime, our uptime, as you can imagine, is above 99%.
Okay.
And so that is close to always being up for you. We know that systems do fail, but for us, it's a system recovery. I mean, you don't have total control over internet provision on all those. But what we do best is that when system goes down, the recovery time is just like the second before it actually went down. And so we would work and ensure that the availability of the system can be close to 100%, so our customers can actually get the money when they need it.
Okay. You want to add anything else, or that's it?
Yeah, it's
That it works? Okay,
yes,
all right.
it works.
It works. I'll take your final words. I'll start with you, Emelia, and I'll end with Sina.
Okay, all right. So just to say to our customers and the whole country that we've come out with a product for their convenience, for them to be able to have control, meaning that you get the money when you want it, and then you can actually decide to pay it before your next salary. That's also your own, decision. So it's very simple for you to be able to do that. Just make sure you have our mobile app, and then when you log on it's if you miss the banner, which is a personalized banner that usually you just see how much you qualify, You can also just go on our app. We have the more button at the lower side of it. When you click on that, that will take you to loans and advances, and then you click that, you see salary advance. You input the money. We'll let you know. The range is from 100 cedis to 20,000.
Okay.
So whichever one you qualify and you want, you key in. If it's 5,000, you key in the 5,000. You accept the terms and conditions, and then the money is credited in your account. So this is just to tell our customers that it's very easy to apply, and then you get the money instantly credited in your account, and then the pricing is also the lowest you can get in the country. So for our customers, you should not allow yourself to be deceived by these fraudsters who want to take advantage of you. We are not telling anybody to call customers to help them update. We are not updating anything, with a second party. If you want to update, just go to the stores, because you need a new version of the app to be able to do that.
Okay. To be able to access this.
To access that, we release the last week of July. So you have to make sure you go to the stores, you update your GCB mobile app so you can access this. If you're having difficulties, please don't allow any fraudster to call you and say they want to direct you, give me your PIN. We never ask any customer for their PIN. So if you have an issue, you either call our toll free, which is 0800 422 422, or you send a WhatsApp, which is 0202 422 422, 0202 422 422, and our customer experience team will be ready to assist you.
Okay, kindly repeat the toll-free number.
Okay, so 0800 422 422.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the WhatsApp 0202 422 422.
Sina, what are your final words?
Well, my final words are to all salaried workers in salary earners in Ghana. If your account is not with GCB, it's simple. Just switch and come for goodies. I mean, this is just a part of the total goodies that we offer to our customers. On top of this, our general interest rates are the lowest in the industry, and we come in for our customers when they just need those money. So we are asking them to switch and enjoy the goodies we have. Salary Advance has come to save life. Now you don't need to go to any relative, any friend to ask for any support so that you pay them back at month end. Just come to GCB, download our app, and then apply it just when you need it, and we'll be happy to deliver on this very promise. And to all our customers, thank you once again for doing business with us, and we'll continue providing delight to you.
All right. Thank you, lady and gentlemen, for joining me this morning on the Morning Starr. I was joined in studio by Sina Kamagate, his Executive Head, Retail Banking Department at GCB Bank. Also, Emelia Sackey, Head, Digital and Youth Banking. Thank you once again for joining us. We're grateful that you're able to come here. All right. Wishing you a good day. It's still the Morning Starr here on Starr 103.5 FM. Stay tuned in. I'll go for a break. When I return, we'll bring you more of some of the chibis that I've been pouring in and get you